This is going to be a two-part video, or not really a two-part, but two-piece in this one single video. One including EAF, Extreme Autofest. I did attend that, and it was awesome. And I didn't take a bunch of clips. I did try to vlog it, but that was just one of those things where it was kind of impossible to be comfortable around, especially at an event that I've never been at before. It's actually my first event to be in, so I just try to enjoy the moment as best as I can, but I tried to film as much too. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a little kind of like a storyline of kind of my day at Extreme Autofest, including that. And then kind of the second part of this video is going to be at Sdxgenz. We had a nice little Thursday meet, and I try to vlog that too. Got a little bit comfortable with that, but with that, I'm going to go ahead and also tell a story. So with any further ado, let's let the intro pass through and start today's video. Good morning, guys. It is an exciting day today, as it is Extreme Autofest Day, and I'm gonna be there featured with Team Hybrid. Really excited. It's gonna be my first show. All right. And at the same time, it's just gonna be sick because I've actually never been to an Extreme Autofest before, and of course my first time is gonna be experienced while I'm in the show. Alright, so Extreme Autofest. Well, it was early. I had to wake up pretty early, and I spent at least, sad to say this, I spent from 7, 8, I want to say 8 o'clock to be safe, but it was not 8, it was like 7:30. 7:30 until basically 1 o'clock at night detailing this car, getting it ready for Extreme Autofest. Downside, it was an outdoor show, so it was just hot. We got there real early. So we just been chilling, now getting in. It is 7:54, finally officially just about to set up, get in. But man, there are a lot of Team Hybrid members. This is my first time meeting a bunch of them, and this is sick. I don't know if you guys can see all that. There's a bunch though. And so there was a bunch of us, and it was pretty sick because it was my first experience, and I've never really experienced this before. There was quite a few of us, and we were all just kind of lined up waiting for the gates to open. And, you know, I got there at 7 o'clock, pretty early. Woke up at like 5:30 to get some breakfast, but got there at 7, real early. Lines of cars, everybody trying to get set up, and it was just really cool. I ended up having the gates open I think around 8:30, and then we finally were able to get in and kind of just get situated, trying to get ourselves organized in the position that we're going to be in for the show. And that took quite a while, but it ended up being pretty, like, I don't know, I felt like the day ended up running pretty fast after that was done, and we got to enjoy it. So things I didn't really record was me walking around and looking at most of the cars, but I got some clips of me walking around, checking out the whips, checking out the cars. this was an awesome experience too, to just be part of Extreme Autofest. And I did actually try to sign up for the competition too. One of our guys, part of Team Hybrid, J Boost, there's Instagram, check him out. He actually got 3rd place for, like, I think Honda 4-door. And I was like, dang, he's got a lot of work done to his car. And he got 3rd place. So I had my little competition flyer, and I was like, yeah, if he got 3rd place, there's not a possibility of me getting 2nd or 1st for sure. But it was just great. It was a great experience to be part of, and I did have a great time over there. And if you guys follow me on PhongVLG on Instagram, you will see kind of the photos that I did take. I did have a few models in front of my car. I left it at the end on one of my recent photos for Extreme Autofest. On that, so you're gonna have to swipe through and see that. But I mean, overall it was just a great time, and like I said, I tried to film as much as I can throughout the whole thing. But yeah, it was just great overall. Second, Thursday meet. Thursdays we always have Sdxgenz meets, and it is cool. It is pretty big. We had I think a few cars, plenty of times, 30+ cars every single time, averaging like at least 20 cars. The big ones become 30 to 35. We have about 60 members. Sdxgenz is a huge community based on San Diego, and we get down. But for this Thursday meet, we end up thinking, hey, let's meet at T and More. No, it was, where do we meet? We met at this tea place, Ding Tea in Mira Mesa.
What's up, brother? What's up, man? I see you again, man. It's been a while. What's up, man? Oh, yeah, man.
You just have to believe in fate.
We all met up there, hung out, and just had a good time. Before I started grabbing the camera, you know, I just tried to enjoy myself. But as the day got on, I started trying to film some things. Got Romel coming in, myself meeting a few people, actually some people who actually watch my channel. So thank you guys for the support. And then kind of goofed off. I mean, there was a moment where people started leaving their drinks on my splitter.
There's a Sprite can in somebody's boba, and then there's your boba on my front splitter.
I was very careful when I applied.
They use my stuff as trays. I mean, Romel's got it too.
Well, I didn't want to litter.
Oh, am I supposed to drive off like that?
I figured it was, I don't know.
So you see whose name it is on the tag, and this one.
Your call number.
All right, so who's call number 75? 75? Number 75. Motherfuckers.
I guess my splitter is now a cup holder in a sense. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I joke around and put my drink there too. It is kind of handy at times, I'm not gonna lie. And then we kind of moved on and went to a parking structure to meet up. So we started cruising through.
Who's number 75? That shit is still on my splitter.
Down. I got you, bro.
Alright, that's yours, but who's number 75? Who's got a Sprite can? Hey, no dipping out until we find out who's got the Sprite can.
Yeah, you guys suck, bro.
Oh yeah, where is Josh? We're all leaving and Josh isn't even here.
Like, queue up and then leave.
A lot of sick cars, a lot of good clips. Just kind of cruising through there. It was pretty sick. It was a nice little caravan, even though everybody ended up kind of boosting it and splitting off. But in the end, we ended up meeting at the parking structure. Some of you may recognize the parking structure. What was I going off with my words? Some of you may recognize the parking structure, but this parking structure is very local to us, so we just decided to go here. Easy to meet up, just to hang out, kick back. We just hung out for quite a bit, had some fun. We did try to put on some Sdxgenz stickers on my car, which was sabotaged.
Dude,
This shit's recording. Can you just hold this real quick?
man.
Wait, what?
Look, this is on Facebook Live.
This is fucking crooked as balls, dude.
-1.
I fucked up. I said that.
He said bad.
Hey, you have to do just lower your tire pressure on the left side, and just and then be even.
Dude, not crooked at all, bro. Fuck you. Motherfucker.
Yeah, that's awful.
That's pretty bad.
It's all your fucking fault.
It's not even recording.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, he said bet. You know what the game, dude?
It's your fault too.
Bet.
Dang, you just yank it off like that?
That's not crooked at all.
Wow!
Hey,
the best one right here. The best one of the night.
Thanks a lot, Jose. And ended up throwing one of our members into the trunk.
I knew something was up.
What is going on?
Whose trunk is it?
Mine, as always.
Who's drunk to you? Oh! Heaven!
Hey, watch
Hey, there's your boba. Watch your boba. Watch your head. Watch your head.
Sing the national anthem, you bitch. I don't hear you. Star Spangled Banner.
Oh shit! Okay. Oh man.
Hey, congrats on your I can't spell that moment. Holy shit. He's shaking. He's shaking. Holy shit. That's my finger. Now I can smell that. Touch my finger.
Yeah, with insurance too, so that guy's he's gonna be screwed when his insurance.
Now this is something that I just did differently for this video, and I didn't know how like long I've made it. I just wanted to make it kind of quite short, but I knew that these clips I couldn't just throw in and make it as a vlog, because they were not story based. They weren't recorded enough. I didn't record enough footage basically to make a story vlog out of it. So that's why I just decided to basically sit, show and tell kind of thing, and tell you guys what was going on. There is SPOCOM San Diego, September 20. I will say it in the next week's video. It's September something. You can search it up yourself. I'll probably put it in the description as well. It's SPOCOM San Diego. I'll probably be going there and attending and showing my car inside SPOCOM San Diego. So if you guys are local or just wanted to go to a car show, SPOCOM San Diego, I will be there. It's in September. I just gotta figure out the date. We'll re-elaborate it next week's video and get to more extending on it. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please comment below what you guys think of my little story-based idea that I did for this video. And if you also just like to see some vlogs, I mean, go ahead and just give me advice on what kind of content you guys like to see from this channel. It would really mean a lot to me and help a lot. And installs and everything will still be here, how-tos. So go ahead and give me some pointers, guys. What do you guys want to see? What do you guys want me to do on how-to? And I'll try my best to get into that. Thank you guys again. I will see you guys next week. And as always, yeah, that.